Hey guys, it's Caaliyah and I'm back with another video. So I just got out of the shower and I washed my hair, and I'll show you what I used in just a second, but I am about to do my hair. It's getting a lot warmer here in Ohio and summer is around the corner, and this summer I am not about to be doing a whole bunch of different natural hairstyles like twist outs and all that type of stuff. I kind of just want to do styles that are quick. So I, for the most part, will be doing wash and goes, high puffs, buns, stuff like that. Stuff that is just quick. And I don't have to like air dry overnight. So I did get sent some products from Cantu not too long ago. It is their Texture by Cantu, and it's the Sleek collection. So I have used the Texture by Cantu. I don't remember, it wasn't Sleek, it was something else. It had like a shampoo, conditioner, mask, something like that. I have a review on it, so I'll put that down below, and maybe put the correct name on the screen so you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, they sent me 4 products. So they sent me their Texture by Cantu Color Treated Hair Plus Curls Cleansing Oil Shampoo. I did just use this in the shower. I didn't film it, you guys. I honestly did not feel like filming in the shower. I just wanted to enjoy it. But yeah, this is color safe and it's sulfate free. It has castor oil, and yeah. This was a really good shampoo. I have no complaints at all. It was nice and creamy. It smells really good. It had a really nice lather, great slip. So I didn't condition or anything. I just used this and detangled with this. And it was very, very moisturizing. My hair is not stripped. It's nice and soft. So love this shampoo. And then the other products in this line are like moisturizing and stylers. So they have a 4 curls and coils defining cream. They have this. They also sent me a shine and sculpt control paste, and this is kind of like an edge control, I think. I'll show you guys more in a second. And then last but not least, they sent me the defining gel. So I am about to use the rest of these products on my hair. I don't even know what I'm doing. I think I'm doing a low sleek ponytail, or I might be doing a low sleek bun. I'm doing something that's low. So just keep on watching. The rest of this video is going to be voiceovers, because I know if I keep talking, this video is going to be extra long. So just keep on watching if you want to see how these products work and what style I end up doing. Alright you guys, so I am just taking my hair out of my microfiber towel, and like I said, I did shampoo my hair, and that shampoo definitely left my hair nice, soft, and clean. So I am just going to part my hair with my comb. I personally like to do my low buns with a side part. I don't like the middle part. So that's what I'm doing, and then you will see me part another like section, I guess, on the side of my hair, because I didn't want to just do a typical like low bun. I wanted to kind of add a little something on the side. So I just went ahead and put that back section away, and for the front section I'm going to of course spray my hair with water and then detangle with my Tangle Teezer. And the product I will be using to moisturize is the Texture by Cantu Sleek Defining Cream. Now this cream was super creamy, super moisturizing. My hair really loved it. It is made with shea butter, spearmint oil, vitamin B, and canola oil. All of those help to hydrate, soothe, and condition, and my hair loved it. You guys will see how my hair responded to it. It gave me nice curl definition, so really loved this stuff. Now for this section, I am going to be parting my hair, and I'll have 4 equal sections because I'll be doing a cute rubber band style. So once I have like my first little section, I'm going to use the Texture by Cantu Shine and Sculpt Control Paste, and this is made with castor oil and shea butter. This is pretty much like an edge control, honestly. It's supposed to give you all day hold. And yeah, I just put this around the perimeter of my little sections, and then I added a rubber band. So with this control paste, you guys, I did find that for me, at least, it worked a lot better when my hair was actually starting to dry. When I was using it on wet hair, I didn't really feel like it was doing much, and then like my edges and stuff was curling back. But once it, my hair had kind of dried and wasn't so wet, it did lay my hair much better. Now, since I only did 4 sections, I am just going to take 2 of them, like the diagonals, I guess, and put another rubber band and connect those 2, and then do the same for the other 2. So once I have my little side part done, I am just going to spray my water all around my hair because it has pretty much started to dry and shrivel up at this point, and I really want it to be wet so that it is way easier to work with and I can get a nice sleek bun without having like a lump in my head. So I'm just spraying as much water as I can all over, and then I'm going to apply the defining cream all over my hair as well so that it is nice and obviously soft while it's in my bun. So I'm just going to work that in all throughout my hair, and I'm trying my best to rake it with my fingers, just so that, like I said, my hair doesn't have any lumps or anything. But I did go in with my Tangle Teezer to kind of just really smooth my hair down, especially for the way I wanted it to lay. So yeah, that definitely helped me a lot. I know this can be harder for girls who have much thicker hair than me. So I've seen girls do all types of different methods. Some girls work in sections when they do their buns and ponytails. So you could try that, but if your hair isn't too thick, if it's similar to mine or even like thinner or whatever, then this probably would work for you, this method. So I did use some of the defining gel, which is supposed to be non-sticky, non-flaky, and loosen and define your curls. I don't know, this appeared like it was thicker than it was because this kind of is watery. Like if you rub it between your fingers, it's very watery, doesn't have much of a consistency at all. It just kind of disappears into your hand. So I just didn't feel like it was doing much to my hair or much for my hair. So I ended up using the control paste to do what I wanted that gel to do. I wanted the gel to kind of help me lay my hair. So the control paste, I just applied that all over my hair, the top, the sides, the back, and underneath, so that I could brush it up and, you know, have that nice sleek look that I wanted. Like I said, this does work better when your hair isn't super wet, and also if you use a generous amount. So I did really like how it was laying my hair, and surprisingly, I like the fact that it didn't give me that super hard hold. Like, I'm used to Eco Style, which literally gets stuck in place and like is super, it just has a lot of hold. This does have hold, but it wasn't hard, which I actually really liked. So before I put my hair into a ponytail, I'm just using my little edge brush to do my edges on this side of my hair, and then I will put it into a ponytail. And I wrapped the ponytail around my hair like 3 times. I did not want my hair to be super duper tight because I do not want a headache. I wanted the style to last for a couple days. So yeah, 3 times was perfect for me. If you want to do more, but just be careful, you guys. Don't be giving yourselves headaches trying to get the most tightest ponytail. It will be okay if it's not super duper tight. Now, I wasn't sure if I wanted to wear a low ponytail or a bun. I didn't really like how that gel made my curls look. Like, I don't know, the top of my curls looks way different than the bottom of my curls, which are super juicy and defined. So I just, before I actually formed my bun, I did just fix up my, you know, my little curly sideburns just to give my hair a little something extra. And then I did form my bun. Everyone forms their buns differently. I don't know, I kind of just did it this way. I kind of just folded my hair over and then used a ponytail to secure it. So this is my low sleek bun, you guys. I really liked how it came out. I did add some gold jewelry to the sides so that, you know, it would be a little bit cuter. And my bun, I do feel like it could have been a little bit better, but I think it looks nice. As far as the products, the price range is $9.99 for all of them. And if I had to recommend the products, I would say try the shampoo, the cream, and the control paste. I wasn't a big fan of the gel, but someone else might like it. So that is my little review on the products. As far as my style, I love it. My friends really liked it. I've been getting compliments on it. So yeah, super cute, super easy, quick style to do for these summer months. So let me know if you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.